miles.
Just no.
And now I have 4 days of rest, and I can't even sleep anymore.
What time is it? Why is there a light on?
It's very rousing music.
It's supposed to keep you awake all night.
No. I just walked 360 miles. I want to stay up.
You don't want to stay up? But you slept all day the other day.
It doesn't do anything.
Earplugs don't work.
Mine did.
Yeah, let's see if they work tonight.
I'm just saying.
Tell me in the morning if you slept.
Does anyone have like headphones, like studio headphones?
Yeah, we need like major head blockers. Ear blockers. I'm video journaling.
Oh, what?
I'm video journaling.